morning, good morning, good morning. How are we? How are we? Yes, I do. How's everyone doing this fine morning? Night. Kia ora whanau. How are we? Baby, all the way around the south could push me low. Oh, yeah. Fire in these trenches, day like every day. Another day in the trenches, whanau. Lord, thanks for the sub. You didn't have to, brother. Here we go. Bane Brown, love your content, please keep it up. Bane Brown, thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to read something. Can just watch. Well, thank you, brother. We just started. Gotta have our morning catch up, if you will. So, to anyone that's new, we usually have a catch up first before we start. Good morning, everybody. Hello. Odin, Awasos. Thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, though. Can just watch for free. And the Under Shadow as well. Morning. Oh, it is. Oh, at least I cracked it. Cheers, Zixi. Cheers, brother. That's another one I have to give a diamond to. You, brother. Brother Zixi, can you DM me on Twitch just so I remember? Morning, everybody. Yeah, so morning. I forgot to make me a. Cheer, brother Zixi. I've been doing good, bro. Yeah, just another day to carve. I may not be streaming tomorrow. Got a few things to sort out because it's my daughter's birthday this week. Dex, thank you very much for the sub. And Fifi, 4 months. Currently on a 2 month. Oh wait, subscribe with Twitch Prime. Let's subscribe for 4 months. Currently a 2 month streak. Oh, didn't have to, guys. You can just watch. Loves, brother. Cheer, XR Kun. Cheer, brother. Yeah, so her birthday's not till Monday next week, but we're gonna have it this weekend. Yo, AJ. Cheer, brother. And sad shitter. Oh, I don't think I know anyone that said what they crap. Good on you, bro. Much love from Texas. Hey, cheer, brother. Yeah, so it's her birthday on the 10th. But, yeah. Oprah's thong. Interesting, brother. Thanks for the sub. You didn't have to though, my bro. Cheer, Kobe. Are you going to stream the celebration? No, bro. No. That's, for me and my family, brother. Okay, we'll get started, eh? So for any of the new ones here, welcome. This is what we've been up to. So just taking our time. Almost done, actually. And there was a car speeding by when they shouldn't be. A Spartan. You know what I'm missing, guys? Hey, Bolter boy. Didn't have to, brother. Hold on, guys. I'm missing something. broke my keg. Okay guys, let's get some work done. So focusing on the head up the top again. Fire in these trenches, digging like every day. If it brings you happiness, that I wished you all the best. Sorry I missed your guys' comments, I better go back, eh? Kia ora Obiro. Dog, thanks for the sub. You didn't have to. Calm down, Bolter boy. I know what you're doing. So thank you, brother. Hello from Michigan. Mega Blaze. Thank you for the gifted, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free, my G's. Is Piano Knuckles and the Beam Supreme. Love seeing what everyone's names are. Okay, let's go. Do you often get splinters in your hands? No, never had them. If I do, I just rip them out. Oh, I don't get them often. The skin's kind of like hard on the palms of my hands. Where Marley at? Marley? Bob Marley, you mean? Can't. Thanks, Bolter boy. You don't have to do that though. And slam chest power thrust. Oh, there you go. Hey, Chur Whanau. I hope everyone's doing well. Love from the East Coast. Kia ora, bro. Master Chef here? Chief? Sorry, brother. I did say you might hear planes. There you go. Sovereign. I think that's the name I saw. Thanks for that. The gifted. You didn't have to though. So I'm just letting our speaker charge because I forgot to charge it last night. Feels bad, man. Only Justy. And Master Chief again. Jesus, brother. Calm down. How much does a carving like this cost? So something Ninja is watching Tyler 1. Okay, cool. Good for you, mate. Waiting for the seagulls. So something like this is $5,000. Can go for, I should say. You plan on streaming games? Yeah, bro. I can't test the stream anytime this week due to the fact that I've got stuff to do outside of the stream as well. My bits have been donated. You didn't have to, Bolter boy. You could have just watched. But I just want to be like just for kicks, eh? He leads by a good example in terms of commission or work. He wants to make it affordable as well, which I think is cool. A cool concept by just for kicks. What kind of piece is traditional home piece or meeting place? Important area piece. So this one Zixi would usually be adorned on our meeting houses, brother. So it has the face of the ancestral meeting house. Sometimes we'll put there like at the apex, I should say. So if you ever Google like a Maori meeting house, you'll see where this particular carving can go. And oh, check out it. And a Karenina 2021 too, brother. Didn't have to. It's a sub you can watch for free. Big love for the big bro. Keep Keeping Bruce. Oh, cheers, J1. You didn't have to resub, brother. You can just watch for free. Oi Exa, and I'm Kakahi. Thank you guys for the subs, and Wubby Tubby Hubby. Alright. Yeah, so like again, today I will do this for a bit, then I'll probably swap over to the Taiaha. Have you had breakfast, my bro? No, I haven't. I should have, but yeah. Yeah, babe. Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
Why don't you listen to music?
Oh, speakers flat. Himlin, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Has anyone done a time lapse of these streams? Love to see one. Yeah, bro, I want to do one, eh? But I want to do it with, like, get another camera and set it up in one spot for an entire, what is it, project. What inspired you to start scarving? My ancestors, bro. So this isn't just any normal particular art form. This was actually, so this played a major role for our ancestors in terms of handing down knowledge and stories and through the ages, just like haka, and so we were more of an oral culture as well. We like to pass things on face to face. And obviously the main one being song and dance as well. Quite well known for performances. Fly me to the moon. Hey, there's spell in here. Your Prime Minister is a legend. Yes, she bloody is, man. Cheers, spell here. Let me play among the stars. Do you believe in a God? Yeah, else. Maoris. The ones I was raised with, and it's the ones I believe in. More than a mile. Fly me to the moon. Cheers, Silver. How's it going, brother? I'm good, brother. Yeah. Another sunny day. Hardly ever get sunny day streams over here, brother. It's usually raining. Is this your workspace? Yeah, bro. It's just a carport, bro. I don't have a shed or anything. Like, yeah. Just stream even when it's cold. All these bums hosting with one viewer, which is themselves. Oh, Jeffy, nothing wrong with it. I mean, that's the thought that counts, doesn't it? There's no need to call them out like that. What did you think of the league cinematic for the new champion? Yeah, sucked me back into playing that toxic game, eh? I only play it now and then. Yone, eh? Yasuo's older brother. Chur Whanau Hunter, tēnā koe, bro. How do I sub? Skits you just watch. That's and then it subs automatically for you. Fly me to the moon. I've had this song stuck in my head all morning. Let me play among the stars. So I'm just cutting the eye out at the moment. Hey, Tune Phoenix. You like Benny? She's a singer in New Zealand. Yeah, my daughter loves her music, especially glitter. The winters in Michigan suck. True, are they quite cold, bro? It's Ethmos. Cheers for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Cheer, brother, mahalo. How are you, brother? Busy man. Cheer, Thunder. You up tonight or? Any sports you play, bro? I used to play rugby, brother. Actually wouldn't mind trying to get back into it, eh? Waffle. Amazing stream, dude, and the woodwork is great. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Could have said that without the bits, though. It's all good. Nights, YT. Thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, though. Let me play among the stars. Oh, I'm all good, brother. Yeah, all good, brother. I know you're a busy man, too. The many projects, man. So, what's your latest mount you're going for, brother? Yeah, my bro, we on tonight. Yo, Lashko, yo, Zexler, thanks for the sub as well, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. If you're new here, you can just come and watch if you have any questions. If you are my brother. Nah, just mean, throw them my way, brother. Cheer. Bro, if Inner Voices is up tonight, I'll be in. I'll be on the pad too. On the iPad. Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars. Cheer, Welshie. Cheer, brother. What's worry? Hey, Cork, what's up? Oh, hey, bro. Welcome. This is just a pile of rocks waving at you. Okay, I think our speaker should be a bit charged. So many miles away. Wish I could speak different languages. What's your favourite wood to work with? Any men of native wood, eh? Anyone will do. Which is usually the case. Hi from Romania. Kia ora. Hello. Have you seen Hunt for the Wilder People? Yes, I have. Ricky Baker. So many miles away. Che Vamsi. World needs more people like... Oh, I don't know, brother. Yeah. Is it weird if I love you? Oh. I don't know. If you enjoy the stream, then yeah. Oh, it's all good. Have you ever worked with Coalwood? Nah, bro, I've never got Invincible yet. I haven't even been trying to get it, brother. I've been too busy, eh? Coalwood. Nah, I've never worked with any native timber outside of New Zealand, or Aotearoa, as I like to call it. Okay, let's get this people done. Oh, and I just ripped it out. Oh well. No peoples. See, look, I did a boo-boo. See, look, I smashed the pupil out. So, you know the old saying, eh? You don't make mistakes, you make adjustments. How do you fix this? You just go like that. That's how you fix it. Ease! Cheer Chad lad for that, brother. You didn't have to, and thank you very much to Labata as well. Yeah, brother Zixi, you know. Easy fix up whānau. So if that happens, you just smack the other one out. So I just got to drop the level now. Just so, yeah, the power shell can fit nicely. Or if we find someone that will do it, will be even better as well for us. Here we go. Cheer, Dark Matter. Cheer, my bro. There it is. So we'll have to bevel that eye. We might cut out the nose today too. And our speaker should be charged. Let's go and get it. There you go. Okay guys, just turning our speaker on. Have a bit of ambience other than that plane. Tri-Sea Lords ready to eat tuna bake whānau. Okay, let's carry on, eh? No music today? Just played, brother. Pandorium, how are you today, my friend? Hey, brother, I'm doing good, man. Yeah, I'm just glad it's sunny, so I don't have to wear a jacket today, and my hands won't get numb. How are you, brother? Hello, you bot, and appreciate it, Mr. Rays, or M Rays. You're a G. I'm just me, brother. Just the Broxh, brother. Aloha, see Parade? Fuck, I'm butchering these names, eh? Literally 3 AM for me. Ghastly, I know you're a ghost type Pokemon, brother, but don't stay up too late, my man. Sure, mahalo, yeah, so these are from the Carving Institute I was at a long time ago. I can't even tell if this is free music. Hey! Oh, loyalty free, I should say. Oh, yeah, cool. Mariette and Todd Eldritch. Thank you guys for subbing. If you're new here, you don't have to next time. Pai noi ho te mātaki I te stream. Mo te kore noi ho. Te kore mone. Nah, just said you can watch the stream for free in Maori. Ryoshi, thank you, brother. You didn't have to sub. You can watch for free, bro. Is it winter for you? Yeah, man. Happened to be a good day, though. which is always nice, I would say. Oh, I can smell those roasted vegetables. You were just mentioned by Sweet Anita. Who is Sweet Anita? Is she a streamer? Shout out to Red Bull NZ. Do you like frogs? How do you mean? Needs dynamic subtitles. We need the word with the bouncing ball. Bird is the word. Everybody know how I beat. I see the ball, I'ma dunk it. My man with the energized beverage. Yeah, bro, our milk is off, so it's no tea Tuesday. Feels bad, man. You're all good, brother. No rush. Just do my man. Okay, this nose is not looking too bad. Just cleaning them up. Have you played Witcher 3? Love the Witcher 3, brother. Red Bull goes you wings, yes, but let pull downs do as well, brother. Puppy Tex, Sunny Quad, Puppy Tex extending his sub to October. What the hell, bro? What you doing? And Juanjo and Toredox. Thank you, guys. Bro, what are you doing? You can't watch for free, eh? It's all good. Have a nice day. Chur Mage, Chur brother. And Squid A, thanks for the sub as well. Didn't have to though, brother. You sound sick, brother. You okay? Yeah, just got a blocked nose, bro. That's all. Raid Shadow Legends, Saboteur. No, I never played it. Is that phone game? I don't really play phone games unless it's Pokemon Go. But even though I don't even play that. Sam Mods HD, thank you very much for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good, brother, just to come watch. But thank you, brother. Cheers, Expectra. Cheers, brother. What else was I supposed to do with my Amazon Prime? Fuck's sake. Cheers, brother. This is Matt and Knuckle. Thank you very much, guys. You didn't have to, though. But thank you. I mean, you gotta say thank you. And so everyone that might receive a gifted sub today, I mean, it's totally up to you, but don't forget to say thank you to the person that gives you one. Simple thank you can go a long way. Are you friends with Mr. Chen Chen? I was in his stream. He's cool though. I love watching his streams. He's such a hype man. I would say he's up there with the Korean hype man commentator for League in Korea. Bro, have you seen that man commentate? He's hype as well, eh? I'm totally using the wrong chisel for this, but oh well. What streams do you like to watch? Chesno, thank you very much. So I watch a variety of streams, eh? Most of the time I'll be watching ANZ streamers, so they're the ones that I love to watch the most. Ooh. Might have to drop this nose down a bit. Hold on, guys, I'm just going to rip this bit out. brittle because of that split. So I watch a few, bro. So obviously Panda TV. Who else do I watch? So I'll just go through a list of streamers that I enjoy watching. So we got Panda TV, we got Motor TV as well. So obviously WoW streams. I'm a fan of WoW. Have been for a long time. But also, so while we're still in the Australian side, so Solly Kifs is another one. He's based in Goldie. Chur Crazy. Hey brother, how was your bike ride yesterday, bro? So he's based in Gold Coast along with another brother, Just for Kicks. I really enjoy watching his streams in terms of the craft that he does. Who's your favourite Korean League of Legends team? Oh, I haven't watched in a long time, bro, but I've always been a fan of SKT. So going back to what I was saying, so we're still in Australia. Massacre. I enjoy watching his streams. Who else while we're in Aussie? It's quite a few, eh? Except the bike is covered in insect bugs. Oh, true. Yelisa, thank you very much for subbing. If you're new here, you don't have to next time. You know PewDiePie? Yeah, but I know of him. I mean, who doesn't know PewDiePie? I would say the only people that don't know who PewDiePie is are boomers. Pretty nice guy, you should check him out. Cheers, X. I was like, hey. Have you seen Uber Danger's WoW reviews? It's really funny. No, brother. So we're still on Aussie, eh? Fanta Pants' streams when I can catch them, Mr. Fanta Pants. But yeah, Just for Kicks is another one. I really enjoy what he does. And who else? Yeah, I really enjoy Just for Kicks' streams a lot, eh? Just watching him do his thing. Mr. Pun Lord. Yeah, we gotta shrink that nose in whānau. Kia ora from New Plymouth. Hello. I love your work. Thanks, Cham. Cheer, brother. Boomers. Picking McRobbins. Oh, there he is. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Fenta. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Just for Kicks is the man, eh? Most of the time, yeah, I'm watching streams in the ANZ community outside of ANZ. Oh, in New Zealand as well. But everyone knows who I enjoy watching in ANZ. From Thunder Punch to Timprovise. Puppy, extending the sub to November. What are you doing? Pujaknan. Gee, bro. Interesting name, brother. Bro, you don't have to do that, man. Sure, so these Just for Kicks there, whānau. So that's one of the streamers that I enjoy watching in terms of the arts and the crafts. He has celebrity feature thumb appearances now and again on his stream too. So if you want, go through, give him a follow. He's a good fella, and he's mean at what he does. Well, I think so. I reckon if I said that to him, praying pre-patch releases soon. Oh, I don't, because my druid's not level 120 yet. So yeah, go through and give him a follow, whānau. So, ended streamers, oh man, there's so many, from Improvise to the Cuzzy Squid in HD. Brother Thunder Punch. I'm the over the fence guy. And the voices in Celebrity Thumbs. I'm Waspy, thank you very much, man, for the sub. If you're new here, there's no need to renew, bro. You can just watch. There we go. So we gotta shrink that side of the nose down as well. Chur Extinguish. Kia ora, bro. There we go. Yeah, so we have to shrink the nose down a bit. Outside of ANZ, man, there's just so many watching. I don't really watch much people outside of ANZ. Majority of the time it's just WoW streamers, because obviously, you guys know. But other than the WoW streamers, guys, I usually watch CD in the third, just because he's entertaining, eh? Enjoy his streams. He's a real funny dude as well. Phenomenal experience, if he would, as he would say. Crycaster, milks like psychers. Holy cow! Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. Hicka. Thunder Punch is streaming today, bro. It feels like the Undertaker's coming back. Again. Okay, just gonna turn it around. What kind of wood is that? Totara, brother. Are you excited for Shadowlands? Yeah, bro. Oh, Mike. Looks fun. And then Low giving some bits as well. Jesus. Thank you, brother. Time zones suck. Sure, Kiwi. Kia ora. Okay, how's this going? Sorry guys, I just needed to hit this from another angle. Shit, now I gotta go find the Undertaker's theme. Just a nice cube viewing. Oh, thanks, brother. I appreciate it, my bro. Erikidian. Thank you, brother. For subbing, you didn't have to, though. Yeah, one thing I will say about Just for Kick stream as well, if you want to watch it, something he has over every other streamer, in terms of what he does, his tape pulling is on point. Oh, we got a posture chick. Love watching you do your craft. Captain, hey, too, brother. And then Anus Crawler. Gifting some subs. Didn't have to, brother. Good to see you, brother. Mahalo. Hey, brother. Wason and Aces. Thank you very much. Do you play Pokemon Go at all? Nah, not anymore, man. It's boring. I mean, I could play it when we go for adventures with the string pack, but I want to focus more on what we're looking at. I think the next adventure is coming up soon. It's just about finding places that won't really disconnect you. Hold on, guys. Do you have a PlayStation? Yes, I do. NZ native, brother. So it's Totara, native red pine, my bro. one of the softest natives we have. And anus crawler's got you on the wood prescription as well. As long as I get to smack Sylvanas upside the head. Hard, same bro. I reckon we'll be seeing Sailfang again too in the mall. Well, I bloody hope so. Not to annihilate one of my favourites and no to be continued. And I feel like Broxh will turn up too. Product placement alert. Could you film places like Ruataina? I mean, I could try, but I doubt the service will make it there. I'll take the bag when I eventually go back up there. Gotta push the check. Yeah, I mean, I can try. Whether it'll work or not, I'm not sure. Do you coat the timber when you're done? Yeah, bro. James Rake. Cheer, bro. Yeah, I got the same towel at home. Oh, no. Is it 9 AM for you? Nah, bro, it's like 12 past 11. It's almost lunchtime. Favorite time of the day. Monster or Red Bull? Either. I mean, I wasn't going to drink fizzy for the rest of the year, but since Matatini got canned, oh well, time to have a can. If I thought the bone carving on your shirt was real. Yeah, it tricks a lot of people. Like even when we had to wear them at work. Like get randoms that'll go up to you and just touch your shirt and what the hell are you doing? Oh, that's right. This damn shirt. So I'm just fixing up the nose, guys. Need one of those nice Red Bull fridges. Oh. Maybe. I just don't know where I'd put it. I mean, it'll look random in the shed while I come. Oh, there's a fridge in the back. Alright. Jay Answer, thank you for the sub, brother. Thank you, bro. If you're new, my man, you can watch for free. It is totally welcome as well. Mutual Decisions gifting a tier 1 to Hail the Samurai. Thank you, brother. Didn't have to do that. Where can I buy your craft? For me, at the moment, my commissions aren't open. So I've got one currently that I have to finish before the end of this month. But really I only have 2 weeks to finish it because I'm away on the 20th. So I'm going to, so we got a family trip to the snow. Because Mrs. Broxh has never said, oh! Yo, Zeddy, bro! Cheers for the host, brother, or the raid. Thank you, bro. Welcome everyone from, jeez, I hope I said your name right too, brother. Zed Extreme from his community. So kia ora, my name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver based here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Whack wood. If you have any questions about it, you're more than welcome to ask. It's all good. If you want to know where carving came from, get yourself some tea, kick back, because it's a bit of a story as well. But welcome everybody. Chubsy, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to though. It's all good to watch. Snow whereabouts? So it's in Taupo. A few minutes away. Oh, drunkster, chew, brother. What a beauty day. Yeah, my bro, it definitely is a good day. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to do that. Okay, I think I fixed that up. I think I missed some too. And mutual decisions again, gifting a sub to Mr. Ping. Appreciate it, brother. Now, don't forget to say thank you to anyone that might receive the gifted sub too. Koala, that looks awesome. Thank you, brother. You could have said that without resubbing too. Thank you, though. Squiddy, what are you doing? Squiddy. Thanks. Oh, thank you, brother. You didn't have to, though. But appreciate it, brother. Okay, that's done. Let's do this now. Hello again. You can just say that without the bits, brother. It's all good. Well, thank you, Lou. Some random kids walking past. Shouldn't you guys be in school? Don't skip school. And Cathcart, thanks for the bits as well. You didn't have to though. Not much 21st keys or 50th keys. Yeah, I've done heaps, bro. I believe most carvers have. I'd be surprised if I come across a carver that hasn't. Kid Trick and Sweet Tommy, thank you very much, guys. School's open. Where are you? Where you are? How do you know? These little kids ran up to me yesterday and are you the carver guy? It's like, oh, yeah, sorry. So I still don't know how to act in those types of situations, eh? K Prime, thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to though. And along with Black and Moses, thanks for being the host and easy to watch, relaxing after a long day. Cheer, brother. Thanks for being here. My son and I are watching while we eat dinner. Oh, Boo Boo, what's for dinner? Hello to you and your son as well. Man, I still haven't eaten there. Must be nice. Ever try carving hardwood like mahogany? No, I have hardwood here though. So this is a commission piece that I have to do. So it's a Taiaha, similar to our English 3/4 staff. Here it is. So the difference with this weapon, it's not made to be thrown. So it's for 21st birthday. Yeah. So this is a hardwood known as rata. Chew, Cookie, Rookie, Matt. Chew, brother. What's your real name? Daddy. Nah. I don't want to give my real name out, brother. When I can be bothered, I will. How did you start carving? My father introduced... Oh, my uncle. What music have you got in the background? Oh, it's just copyright free, lo-fi, YouTube music, brother. Bianca, thank you very much for the sub. If you're new here, it's all good to watch for free, eh? Chur Maori, you got any moderators for your chat yet? A few. Infected mushroom. Yeah, Bianca. Did I miss any more? Sorry if I did. Linseed oil. Yeah, just to loosen up the grain, boo. Hoha when it's dry. You can use terps, but oh, wouldn't that be a bloody state? Not here to go terped out. Kiwi Queer, thank you for the sub. If you're new here, you can just watch for free. You're more than welcome to. What happened to that person who was allergic to linseed oil? He's at work. You stream 100% of carving? At the moment, yeah, man. I'm working on trying to stream games. I'm not the best gamer, but yeah. I'm pretty keen to stream Halo since I got it from the brother Mahalo. Got to mow the lawn. Got to mow the lawn now. Yeah, that's cool, man. Terped out. What's the most important piece you ever carved? All of them. I would say. But if I had to choose, I was one for a meeting house. We had to replicate 100-year-old carvings for one of Mrs. Brox's meeting houses to give it an extra oomph, I would say. Jonah Rooney, thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you can just watch for free, my man. Do you have an Xbox? Nah, bro. Computer. That's where I play Halo. I haven't touched so much because I want to jam with Mahalo. Finally caught a stream. I enjoy your vlogs when cooking. Oh, true, bro. Hey, true, Dicker. How are you, brother? Good today? So I'm just doing a few adjustments up the top. It's just annoying to work with dry wood sometimes. Oh, you just did spell. How did spell go in that Kenny Beats thingy? Kai te haere tonu ia o komatu mo tēnei rā. What are your PC specs? I have no damn idea, brother. All I know is it's black, it's an Omen one, and it's got a red light. I'm not computer savvy, brother. As long as it plays well, in some other games that I enjoy, those are the specs I worry about. Just can it play this, can it play that? Those are the important things. And they're doing it tomorrow. Oh, true, man, they must have had a lot of entrants, eh? Ogyamin, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. If you're new here, brother, you can just watch for free. It's all good. Is carving kind of like your job or hobby? It's my passion. I don't really see this as a job, bro. You gives me confidence to be myself. Oh, you brother. Yeah, Alan Walker. That's all it's about, bro. Just being you. Nice, brother. Thanks for the resub, my man. You didn't have to, though. What's your favourite Halo helmet design? I mean, there's nothing that goes past Chief's helmet, eh? That is the helmet in Halo, I would say. I haven't played Halo 4, Looking forward to that one. That's the one that he's getting hunted, eh? Hope you're having an amazing morning. Chur Fujin. Chur, brother. Oh, Fujin. Sorry, brother. My morning's good, brother. Just happy it's not raining, not cold. Well, it kind of is, but it's bearable. Oh, we got a hair flick coming in from Black Bear. Yeah. Regional and your clown. And you got banned. 2 posture chicks and have you accidentally broken a piece? Yeah, but that's the power of super glue, eh? Okay, we gotta get these hair flicks in for the bro. Now you just flex your hair. What's your culture? Maori culture. Okay. So instead of doing one, I'll do more. More than one. Ever carved the surfboard? No, my ancestors didn't really use surfboards. I mean, our cousins in Hawaii did. What was the most memorable piece? All of them. You look like Stephen Adams. Nah, I'm not as tall as him. L'Oreal. Pantene, actually. Great new emates. Thanks, Infernex. All thanks to the Brother Thunder. The tea one is great. Yeah, I couldn't have tea this morning because our milk is off. Island is fun. If he doesn't mind me claiming that, I don't mind. I mean, I'm no good at Paladin, but leave my hair up, let it breathe. Jamal, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. Oh, I mean the bits. Sorry, brother. Can you show us finished pieces? Totara FX, thanks for the sub. Didn't have to. But I do have a finished piece. I've showed it on stream before. It's probably the only piece I ever have. Oh, I do have, actually. If people want to see it, let me know. You can play Maui from Moana. Have you seen Dwayne? My name's Broxh Johnson. Let me know if you guys want to see it. Thanks, Shifty VR. Appreciate it, brother. Spell isn't even on. Chur, bro. Oh, Chur. Yes. Okay, I'll just go and get it. Yeah, the garlic smells mean though. Okay, here's a finished piece, guys. Chur Lord Yardsick. Yeah, so this is him here. I don't know if you can see it. So that's a finished piece, probably the only one I own. or kept, I would say. Beefy meat, thank you very much, brother. Yeah, so this one was one of the first popos that I ever did. So a popo is a wall panel. So you'll mainly find these carvings in the meeting house, which usually with the rafters that go down the roof, and these are what are on the ends of them. Now this particular carving style itself is from Te Whanau Apanui, which is on the coast. And as you can see, we got Totara akai. I'll give it a closer look here at the design. Jamal, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. You can watch for free. Yeah, so that's the design. So you got 4 fingers on this one: birth, life, death, and the afterlife as well. And Dodo, thank you for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. Where do I buy one of those? You can't buy this one, but yeah. So yeah, this is him. I'm gonna put it back inside now. So I hope you like it. So you got the abalone shell eye there. And yeah, so usually they're the ones that cut right through. So if you take a closer look, you have the eye, the mouth, the body and the hand there. And then you have an eye here as well, and then the mouth. Even in this middle figure, you can see the arms, the legs. Turn it to the side, you'll see that there's an eye. There's an eye here, a nose, and a mouth. So if you can see it. Mick12 and Shots McDonough. Thank you guys for subbing. Just didn't have to. I'll just go and put this back now. Oh, true, you can't watch with music. Oh, well. Okay. Well, yeah, that's that piece, guys. Honestly, a fantastic stream, fascinating piece. Keep it up, brother. Sure, thanks, Jordan. Sure, brother. I reckon I'm a serious contender for hair flicks up against these girl streamers. I can do the Jason Momoa flick back from the coastline like Baywatch. Ease win. Maddie, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to though. I mean, who else can do a hair flick and a beard flick at once, eh? Double dips. You want to see your hair again? Oh, did someone redeem it? Do you like LMP? Ah, yeah, it's alright, eh? Not bad. Okay, just fix these. Okay, so that's done. Turn it back around now. There you go. Vegemite or Marmite? None. They're both disgusting. I'm a peanut butter man. Not a big fan of both. What camera do you use to stream with? Oh, I don't know. It's a Sony 4K and it's white. Yeah. That was provided by Twitch ANZ with the stream pick. How's your life going, mate? And are you from Hawaii? Nah, brother. My life's all good, brother. Pooj, you can't stop asking, man. You've asked it like 3 times now. Yeah, watch out, you might get banned. Just come and chill, brother. Those hair flicks were exclusively for the bro. Sounds like the rock guy from Full. Yep, get that a lot. Hey guys, my name's Korg. I go by another name of Just for Kicks. Sometimes I like to do thumb features on my stream with the bro Broxh. Apparently he sounds like Korg. Now it is said that Broxh's whānau, or community as we know it, has a special and intimate relationship with him, and losing him would be like losing a loved one. Hey, Gubby. You got Just for Kicks caught it on unlock. Much love, yeehaw. What's Twitch ANZ? Australia, New Zealand, brother. It's our rohe, our area. Just cleaning up this a bit. With the eyes. Where they show, yeah, a baloney show, bro. So that was with the weapons, deca. Or with any other carving, we used red ochre clay. Do you practice the poi by any chance? Yeah, I know how to use them. So for anyone that doesn't know, so if you've seen the poi dance by the Maori women before, they were actually used by the men in days of old to help supple the wrists, if that's how you say it, for the better use of our weapons. And then when that time came to use the weapons, yeah, their wrists were nice and supple to be flicked and used properly. And then not till like more modern time where performing arts and that came in, it was picked up by the women. So what they're made out of traditionally is a swamp reed, and they put a rock in it, and they'd swing it around just to strengthen or supple the wrist, if you would say. Where did the name Broxh come from? Broxica. Are those safety boots? No, they're just gum boots, normal boots. No steel cap. This is like the Air Force Ones here in New Zealand. Do you watch Super Rugby? Yeah. Unfortunately, the Chiefs aren't doing that well. The tiraka, yeah, the same thing, bro. Help loosen up the upper body for the same thing. Even the wrists as well. Well, what do you carve with? Any native wood, brother? Yeah. Oh, thanks, Zaz. Cheers, brother. You need to play for the Chiefs, bro. I'm unfit, bro. I ain't playing for no one. I mean, I would love to get back into rugby one day, but not at that level. I mean, I probably can't even get in to trial. Didn't even realise I got gifted a sub. I'm so excited, loving the stream. Oh, cheer, Tom. Cheer, brother. Yes, I'm just cleaning up this. Then I'll round the side. Nah, Mr. Rainbow. All traditional, brother. And wood. I mean, I've done stone carving, but my passion's more on this. I'm the captain now. Okay, how am I gonna do this? I'll just stand them up for now. Just wanted to chime in and compliment the amazing work you have to find detail with the chisel. Hey, true, Andrew. True, my bro. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much. That's all up to you. That bit there. Let's clean it up. How do you deal with wood contraction, expanding, cracking? No, you just fill it with super glue or PVA. If you want to be flash, you can mix it with sawdust. Easy, man. Oh, true, geeks on fire. True, brother. Nice glasses, too. True, Bob. You're the nicest person on the planet. Nah, I don't reckon. I'm just an average man. Scuba Dude, thank you very much, brother, for that sub. You didn't have to, though. Appreciate it, though, brother. If you're new here, my bro, you're more than welcome to watch for free, my dude. Okay, this is at 100%. Let's move this damn thing out of the way. Thank you for the educational and chill vibes. Keep baby. Oh, all good. I got you. I got you. Yeah, true, brother. Okay, I'm just gonna round the shoulder. Holy crap, what's going on? This is Matt. Thank you, average Matt. Oh, bro. You didn't have to do that, brother. Thank you, though. Appreciate it, brother. And then we got this anonymous person again. Thank you, anonymous person. You don't have to do that, though, whoever you may be. But thank you. Hope you like what I do. I think that's the main thing I should say when it comes to these anonymous people. Island Larry, Twitch Prime. 4 months, brother, from Texas. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to do that, though. You know, you've been there for 4 months, so you should know. Much appreciated, brother. Thank you very much. Just know, yeah, you already know. You don't have to do that next time, brother. Looks nice. Oh, thank you. Work in progress. It's cleaning up this head. I can hear Mrs. Broxh having lunch. We'll have our smoko break soon too, guys. Cheers, Retro Paradise. Hey, Brad, just back here to fall asleep too. Oh, cheers, brother. Okay, here we go. So what I have to do, from what I can see, is shave a little off the top. Want to be a barber. Give it a bit of something. Oh, what's everyone playing? Egg. The egg thingy. Just as the master and commander for those. Chur Limitless, and thank you Cujo for the bits as well. You didn't have to. Yeah, I have watched Once for Warriors. We won't your skin in Fortnite. I hardly play Fortnite, brother. I mean, I like the Aquaman skin, that's about it. Once I sort out this internet, I don't think the PC can hold Fortnite. It's too big. Just try and get some games in with Aussie antics. Have a good laugh, because I'm not that good at that game. Okay, that looks much better. Okay. Yeah, much better. Thank you, Lo. You don't have to do that though. You've done enough. Appreciate it though, brother. Okay. Just cleaning up underneath the arm. So if you can see the four faces, it's... Oh, God. It's Georgie. Brother Georgie, thank you very much, brother. You know, you don't have to do that, brother. Much appreciated. You're more than welcome just to come and watch, brother. But thank you very much, my bro. Appreciate it. How long does it take you? If I wasn't doing this on stream, only a few days. But on stream, it's been on this for a few weeks. Why am I taking my time? Because that's just the way I like to carve. And it's more about showing the journey of one piece. So we started this from a block of wood, brother. Just taking our time. Just hopefully everyone enjoys it. That's the main thing for me. Chur Retro Paradise, you have a good one, brother. Can you sign my lunchbox? Che. I hope you're not watching in school, though. How long is the craft community on Twitch? I don't even know what you mean, bro. Sorry. Someone in the chat might be able to answer that. I'm not sure what you mean. Sorry, my bro. Where are you from, brother? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Kia ora. Hello. I'm freezing my ass off here in Sydney. How are you walking around with a tee on? Hey, how's it cold in Sydney though? Just about to finish my piece, thankfully. Oh, nice, Mahalo. Do you plan on playing any games on stream? Yeah, bro. Not yet though. I can't like work on doing that this week because I've got other stuff to do in terms of my baby. But we'll get there, brother. Have you had any injuries in carving? Nah, bro. None at all. I don't know any carver that's been injured in carving ever. I'm doing homework right now. Whirly, focus on your homework, eh? Try not to watch too much. Change my sleep schedule and I'd have it no other way. Oh, as long as you get some good sleep in, brother. That's all that matters. Oscar, cheer, brother. Oh, I'm doing all good, my bro. It's another beautiful day. Another sunny day stream. Can't complain. Another day I'm not freezing me ass off. But yeah, brother, I'm good, bro. Hope you are as well. That's what matters. Now I can sleep better. As long as you can sleep better, that's all that matters. Any opportunity my Tawhiti James, bro? Soon, bro. Just trying to get this done. Is that where you from, bro? Lion Tamer, thank you for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you can just watch for free, man. It's all good. But thank you, brother. Okay. Caramel Brews. Found you through TikTok and wanted to share some support. Give you something to eat. More wood, my friend. Oh, Caramel Brews. You didn't have to do that, brother. Thank you though, bro. I will probably go and get me some more wood, brother. But thank you very much, man. And along with Cujo as well. I see you as well, brother. Thank you very much, Cujo. You still don't have to do that though. You can just chill. And Dark JJ, thank you very much as well, brother. But yeah, don't be shy to just watch for free. It's all good. Good night, KJ. Cheers, brother. Okay, let's drop this face in. I still gotta do that nose. Do you carve off stream? Yeah, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna put it down. Chur Whanau. Carve a well figure. No, that's not traditional Maori wood carving, bro, so probably never will. I'm not that good at carving, bro, and this is pretty much the only carving I want to do, is showcasing my culture, just to everyone. Sorry, bro. Aroha mai, bro. Oh, te teko taku papa, no mai mana taku mama. Oh, true, brother. Hey. Te wai mana kāku. Port, my family's good, bro. You were all good, eh? This is an old t-shirt, brother. Paddies, I don't sell online, man. You gotta do it through me, brother. Is that commission you have finished? No, it's just, we're just doing this one now. Broxh looking like a final boss in the samurai game. Fuck you. Omae wa mou hii shinderu. Nani? Gotta get this just for kicks guy under control. Yeah, he's all good. Mitsu te Taiaha. Nah, bro. Not yet. Kumane, well done. Have you been to Biha? Nah, boy. That's what I real slap. Yeah, fuck you. Let's just do this and then I might swap over. I'll probably start doing this Taiaha off stream too. I haven't got long to go and then it needs to be handed in. Kind of anime you watch, brother? Anyone that's cool? And yeah, so I'm watching Fire Force at the moment. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta render this piece, so I'm gonna hop over to my phone for the stream. Oh, good, mahalo. Do you, brother? Thank you for tuning in too. Get your work done, brother. Do you sand the wood or just carve it? I never sand these types of pieces, bro. The only time we ever use sandpaper is when we do our weapons. Just for the blade, really. That's about it. This is so calming. Oh, thanks, man. Fire Force theme song is awesome. Yeah, bro, it's pretty good, eh? Sweet as, brother, mahalo. Did you carve stone as well? I've tried it. Yeah, it's all good, eh? It's not really a realm that I want to pursue. More so in wood carving for me. Yeah. Hopefully once I get better as a carver, I can help my own tribe as well. Oh crap. Kevin Hag. Cheer, brother Kevin Hag. Bro, you didn't have to do that, brother. Jeez. Thank you, brother. To anyone that received their gifted sub from the bro, don't be shy to say thank you. Once you get better, what do you mean? Nah, I don't think I'm that good. It's not where I want to be. Can only get better as you keep doing it, eh? Oh, Cuzzy across the road getting him a score. What is holding your phone? The chat holder 4000, Brandon. Skipper Rooney, thank you for the sub, brother. If you're new here, my bro, you didn't have to, man. Okay, I might turn this guy around, eh? Hey, Chur Coffee. Skilly boy coding. Bro, don't worry about it, brother. Just come and watch. That's all good. It's good to hear birds other than damn seagulls as well. Mate. All good, bro. Just come and watch, brother. That's welcome, bro. Okay, I'll just carve the top of this head and then have my first smoko. I might actually hit this with some linseed, eh? Just a little bit. Okay. Oh, read mom. I love you. Yes, I do. Hey, Chur Elastic Man, did you get your leg sorted, brother? Ringer, ooh, bit of a ringer. Hey. Thank you for that, brother. You didn't have to sub though. So many miles away. Remember race up when he was offline, you won't know. Yeah, fuck yeah. You go for a bike ride, crazy. Phoebe C and Gearbox. Thank you guys for subbing. You don't have to though. Get sick of me saying this, I'll probably keep saying it again. Let's go. What happened? Oh, you been spelled. Chairman J. Cheer, Charlie. Cheer, brother. You have a good one. Played much earlier, brother? Yeah, I've been playing a little bit, brother, but I want to try and catch you on and just jam with you. Just been playing a bit of Reach. I try to go straight to Halo 4, but I can't. Peace, brother. Have a good one. Yeah, Chur Elastic Man. You have a good one, and grats on being free too, brother. Did someone mention the pukana? You like Oliver Tree. I never heard that name before, brother. Sorry. Get those dubs. Yeah. Can't wait for ODST M4. Oh, Chur. Good night, brother. See you tomorrow. Chur, bot, gang. Chur, brother. Are you? A Magha Druid. Alright then. A Magha Druid. Interesting. You know, guys, I'm just readjusting these lines. Ah, taki whakamapai. Is English your first language? Hell no. Nah, it's Maori, brother. Maori is my first language, brother. My native tongue. Are maira. Oh, fuck, here he is. Fuck. Hello, Connor. Fuck. Zing, thank you for the sub, brother. And Connor, now you know, you don't have to, you know. Fuck's sakes, here's Connor. At least say hello first. Hello, Connor. Chur, brother. Thank you very much for the gifted subs, brother. You didn't have to, though. You've been here before. I did say hello. Here he is. God damn it. Kia ora, bro. Good to be here. Koe. I reawakened. Kei te pai, brother. Kei te pēhea koe. Hot and spicy KFC's back. Ooh, net. Okay, I'll just get this line cut out. 10 more, right? No, you've done enough. That's enough. Jesus, Connor. Look after you too, brother. Go and buy you a pie. Go and give 10 pies to yourself. Are you selling those? Soon. Sure, bro. Good to buy. Oh, I'm gonna be here, brother. Ah, fuck. Okay, Connor. Oh, jeez. Here we bloody go. Thank you, Connor. You know you don't have to, brother. Surely gift yourself 10 pies now. Fuck, thank you, brother. You don't have to do that though, bro. Posture check for the old man Kiki. And congrats to those that received the gifted sub from Connor. Don't forget to say thank you. Okay, Connor, I'm gonna stop and have lunch now. Thanks to you. Fuck. So I'm just gonna put this carving to the side. Just go wash my hands before I eat my food. Okay, what's the chick? Were you in any major kapa kakus, my bro? Because your voice is amazing and deserve. Mr. Blunts, I'm part of Mataroi. Haven't performed yet. Is Fire Lord Ozai. Okay, let me wash my hands. Oh, he movie man, eh? Okay, now if you got food, you can have lunch with me. Fire Lord Brozai. Oh, Scooby. Salty Potato, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Can't watch for free, bro. It's all good. What are you munching? Mukbang. Got some peanut butter on toast on the way. Nice. Where's my jacket? Just put that on so I don't get cold. I'm just eating roasted veggies. Roasted veggies for me today. Cheers, Scoop. How are you, brother? Yeah, smoko break. Makes me more focused on work. Oh, that's good, bro. Sofa's Crow. Thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. You can watch for free, brother. Beard looking so on point today. Oh, it's looking a bit rough, brother. I think I need to invest in some beard balm. You mind keeping it PG? What do you mean? Oh, crap. Nico. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Take care, bro. And chat. Oh, Connor, just come in, do his thing and leave. Thank you, Connor. Bro, you know you don't have to do that, brother. But thank you very much. Man, this is good. Have a good one, Connor. Sure, brother. What you mean you did to him? Yeah, so sorry if you're new. Usually I have a little lunch break because I get hungry. And if I leave off not eating for long, my legs start to shake. What's in the bowl? Just roasted veggies and spinach. The carby kind. Nothing wrong with lunchtime. Cheers, brother. And the whole clove of garlic. Happy cookie language week. Hey, Chirunga. Teach us some words, brother. Okay, we got Toadsie toast. Are you vegan? Nah, I love meat. I mean, I don't mind vegan dishes, they're pretty yum too. You play any sports? Not anymore. Just for some cookie words. He's usually saying Raho nui wairua. Hold on, guys. What am I eating? Just roasted veggies. Do the mahi get the treats? And I'm already hooked. Sure, brother. Okay. All done. I'll just put this back inside. Okay. Nice fast lunch. Oh, my chat froze. Hold on, guys. I don't know what's going on. Connecting again. Just connecting to the chat once again. It froze. Yeah. Okay, let's have a drink and we'll get back to it. Yeah, it's still frozen. Oh, there we go. You can see Chef's comment. Tasty boy. What is good for you? How's the water in New Zealand? Some of it's still fresh. Unfortunately, some of it's getting polluted. Can't lie about that. Could you please make a YouTube playlist of songs you're playing? I could try, yeah. Yeah, Super Jewels, bro. Very handy. Zakid, thank you very much for the sub. Sorry if I miss people's subs as well when the chat goes. My phone's on the way out, I think. It's like when when I send a message and then I turn the speech thing off, it still sees the keys there a little bit. Tristan, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free, my bro. You can filter out the pollution of the water. Oh shit! I remember you. Oh, dance 4. Chur, bro. You didn't have to do that dance 4. Bloody hell, brother. I'd be too, but I'm still watching. Thank you, Dance 4, and congrats to those that got a gifted from Dance 4 as well. You can say thank you, if you did. Uh, 1887 and BPO. Thank you guys for subbing as well. You didn't have to. Yo, nice little peep, eating by example. The man. Oi. Good morning, Endless. Cheer, brother. Why does it sound like you have problems breathing? Oh, I got a blocked nose. That's all. Oh, crap. Thank you, Dan. That's enough, Dance 4. Oh, come on, bro. And D, thank you for subbing as well. You just don't have to. You don't have to. Just come watch for free. Siri suggested your stream to me. Did she? Cheerio, Siri. I'm off to class. Oh, this guy watching before school. Catch you next stream. Cheerio, Iced Fanta. And Sick Panda Frank. Oh, come on, guys. No sub wars, please. Zakid? Cheerio, brother. You didn't have to sub, my bro. You can watch for free. Sorry, I just lagged a bit there. Thank you, August. Sorry, I lagged, so I said double. Did you, though? This guy. Hold on, guys, just chucking in these notches. I should really get me a Vicks vapor rub for my nose. Or just keep blowing snot till the bastard's gone. Malini waka. Hold on, guys. Hey, Fanta, Valley Poo, and Frosty, and Philin. Thank you, guys. You didn't have to, though. Oh, did someone redeem a posture? Sorry. Ooh, much better. Skater. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. Oh, BP. And the God Wang. Thank you, brothers. You don't have to, though. Nā rawa mātaki mo te kore noe ho. Oh, the God Wang, eh? And Dano. Denounce. And Dance 4 again. And Uniplia. And I can. Eureka Cannon. Fuck, these names are hard, man. Thank you, guys. You don't have to resub. You can watch for free. Please. not the king of Twitch, man. Where did I learn to carve? So my uncle introduced the art form to me at 12, brother. Nah, I'm not the king of Twitch. Wanna know who the kings of Twitch are? The staff members. Know why? Because they can shut you down. Hold on guys, just doing this. Okiwa. Greetings from Faroe Island. True, brother. Because that's who Broxh is looking like right now. Fire Lord Brozoi. How would that look though? Oh, I don't know. Mountain, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though, my man. I'm here for the odd seagull noises. Imagine YouTubing that, eh? Greetings from Mexico. Hello, bro. The 3 staff in chat. Wait, there's 3 staff in chat? Hello, staff members. Just take a photo and post that as an emoji. Just legit go look for just Facebook and then use his profile picture for your emote. Greetings from Wisconsin. Hey, brother. Lawn Bridge. Okay, thank you for that, brother. You didn't have to though. You can watch for free, Bob G. So I'm just gonna start. I'll turn it around here so you can see me popping out these notches. Have you watched Hunter x Hunter? Nah, bro, not at all. I hear a lot of people raving on about it though. Ooh, that needs to be put down a bit. Pandorium, LAB, bro. Literally LAB. Cheers, Chubby. My day's going good, brother. Thank you. How's yours? Oh, I love it for you too. Samoa tupulanga for imai. Hold on, guys. Just gonna try and get these notches out the way. E kore rawa e pahore hore. How are you today? I'm all good, eh? How are you, brother? Tau whare wharenga. Ka tūmata ke te ahi mahara. Nā kau mātua. Ko te mana nui ke ngā tua. Whakamala. Teine Samoa. O tō tamatoa. si o e te whewhe I leo ti o le atua e pui pui o e Iesu e leo mamu e whaamalosi. What's this song about? So it's a choral we did back in Te Aroha Regionals for Samoa when the measles hit them because as you know with what happened with the measles, a lot of tamariki children passed away. So we have haka competitions and groups, we're acknowledging them, but we decided to do a song about them and for them. So yeah, we learned their language properly, and so within Polynesia it's called Te Moana Nui a Kiwa to us. So when something happens in one island, we all mourn. All of Polynesia mourns. Chur Whanau and Invictus, thank you very much, guys. So that's just a little something on that waiata brother. Onga. Okay, just looking at these. Tōku malawa Ki tōku koingo Ki tōku le tagata He tagata whakaiko. And this is about taking your missus and having a go. How are you le whakaiko? Alright guys, so I just need a new jam. Oh, this is a good song. How's your day going? Yeah, it's going all good, brother. Who? Do you watch anime? Yeah, bro, all the time. Not all the time, I should say. Like now and again when I have free time. Spamming emojis. Having a go. What's that for, Fanta? Oh yeah. It's about wooing her in the dark time. Giving the old the treatment. Do people actually need to know how long they've been watching for? Imagine. Giant hawk. Have you ever annoyed at your fans? No? Why would I be? They're the ones that got me to where we are. I mean, if they obsess over me, that's a bit weird. That's where I'll draw the line. Otherwise, Mrs. Broxh will probably knock them out, but you know, we're not trying to get that. What's everyone poking for? Oh, I don't even know. Sometimes we have no ears. Cheers, Zoom. Cheers, brother. So I'm going to do the top now. You might get annoyed at just the cooks. Is he the village hoha, is he? Hold on guys, I just need to pop these ones. Werea te poho o tōku whare, anā tūmanako. Kia ora pēr. There we go. Santa just not making this piece for a marae or for a gift. Oh no, it's just for a jam really. I only did this to see if I could still do this design really. Which seems to be going all good. E takoto lei mai rea. Hold on guys, just try and straighten up this bugger here. There we go. What's going on? What's your favourite carving you've done? Pretty much all of them. Carla Faye. Thank you for the sub. You didn't have to, you can watch for free. It's all good. But thank you. Okay, that's looking all good. The My God. Thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to sub, Mo G. You can watch for free. No, I think I'm going to put this to the side now. So we can focus on... oh, maybe we should just finish the head, eh? Yeah, let's finish the head. Don't be that guy. Good to take my mask off for a bit. Oh, that's right, it's compulsory for you guys, eh? And otherwise you get fined. What is your dream? I had a dream, I don't know. As long as my whānau's fed, I got a roof over their head and everyone's happy, yeah. Probably the Taiaha ball, yeah. Yeah, probably the Taiaha. Ki te mana atua, kaupare ake, ngā atua, kaupare ake. Nā tau mahatanga. Rei te ki tā, me tana ki te tsuki ma te aha. Okay. Ki mata whaura. Ki mata whaura. Chur Whanau, te aroha. Okay, there's some dry crap in between my chisel. Oh, no, Kalafe, what do you do with a finished item you craft? Sell them? Where do I buy them? Just sell them. I was going to give this to Starship Hospital after the charity, but yeah, I don't know, huh? I don't want it anyway. Hold on guys, I'm just going to try and hit this. Manu. Anyone I could get a sub for free? Port Tart. Don't ask for subs, man. Keep asking, you're gonna get banned. Someone didn't read the rules, did they? Great Cell, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my G. Can watch for free. From a block of wood to this. Ah, cheer JT. New Zealand or Hawaii? Both. Yeah, no, I'm from Aotearoa, brother. Hold on, guys. Ooh. Ooh, that's bloody rubbish wood right there. Hold on, guys, I'll just tend to this bloody piece. Bloody rotten is. Better knock it out. Glad to tune in and vibe. Cheers, brother. Welcome, my bro. I lay in the house. Kia ora, bro. We're in the shed, but yeah, I'll get you. Oh, Bolter boy. Thanks, brother. You didn't have to do that though, my man. You got cool emotes. Freed, if you want to thank someone, man, thank Thunder Punch. Or just use regular conditioner and shampoo, brother. I just got off the phone and I have offered a graduate position. Nice, Auden. Yo, shot, brother. Auden J, congrats to you, brother. Just read your comment. Congratulations to you, brother. Can we get some hopes in the chat for Auden? Menacing, thank you for gifting a sub as well. You did not have to though, along with Bolter Boy with the bits as well. God damn, brother. Congratulations, Auden. Well done, brother. Nice, brother. Congratulations, brother. Awesome, brother. Awesome.
In this place of pots and pans and slightly blunt knives, as the cook.
was all good, Mike. Just wanted to stop by to say thank you for being here. Oh, thanks, brother. And Oliver, thank you for the bits, man. You didn't have to, though. Just come watch, brother. Or comment for free. Cheer, brother. That's meant to hear, brother. You got you a position. Awesome. This way you're the alpha of Twitch. Oh. Oh, thanks, Walter boy. You can't say that without the bits, my man. It's all good. Slow down, motorcycle. It was an old man too. Shaku, thank you very much for subbing, brother. You didn't have to as well. Once I start working. Oh, Auden, bro, it's all good. I'll be doing nighttime streams sometime soon. Your work is more important, brother. Congratulations. That's mean, brother. Good on you. Do you make 21st keys? Oh, I can carve them. Yep. I have as well. Depends on my schedule. How long does it normally take for carving? I can't give you an exact time or date. It all depends. For this type of carving, I can probably do it in a few days if I wasn't streaming. Easily. But yeah. Fuck, I can still hear that hardly. Okay, be good peeps. Chur Fanta. So I'll just finish this head and then we'll swap over. What's the time? Oh, heaps of time. I think I'm getting baby today. Have a good day, brother, in chat. Yo, Piers, thank you very much, brother. You could have said that without the bits though, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. How can I get a commission from you? You just asked me, that's all. But my commission book ain't open yet. I'll finish my current one. Then I'll look at... Because I know I'm going to get bombarded. Oh, jeez. Aegis Cruiser. Holy shit. True, brother. Oh, man, you didn't have to do that, bro. Holy crap. Thank you, brother, and congrats to those that received the gifted sub as well. Brother, if you're new here, I feel like you're not because that name is familiar. You can watch for free, brother. Good energy here. Thanks, bro. Broxh as well, thank you very much for subbing. If you're new here, you don't have to, you can watch for free. But thank you. Just know that you don't have to next time, eh? Let's get these notches out of the way. Gotta go to sleep, night. Love you. Cheer, Cobb. Cheer, brother. Much love, my bro. Rip VPY, and I am the DJD. Thank you very much, guys. You didn't have to, though. You can watch for free. It's more than welcome. I'm much appreciated, guys. Thank you very much. how does someone tell if a girl is into him? Oh, I think I'm missing the rest of the story on that one, brother. Roy going to, thanks man. Gee, hello Hero Slayer and Swinny. Hello you guys. How are you?
Get a BK cheeseburger stunner meal.
Get a BK cheeseburger stunner meal.
Switch it out for a crispy chicken burger. Or a double cheeseburger for just $7.50.
Oh, what a bargain. You're the only Twitch streamer with a talent. Oh, nah, I can't. Nah, bro. No, I'm not. You want to watch talented people? There's some in the chat right now. Just for kicks. Thunder. There's a lot of talented people, brother. Yeah, no. Sorry. Oh! I'm awake for once. Cheer, Panda. Cheer, brother. Holy shit, you're up early. Shit the bed. Hey, brother. Oh, gee. My name's Broxh. I play Panda and Shaman. Cheer, bro. Hope you're well. Damn, the young fella must have woke you up early, eh? How are you doing, Broxh? Cheer, friend. I'm doing good, bro. Just getting some carving done with some beautiful free music that we love so much. A bit like visions, really. So I've just been designing this, brother. Almost finished it. Yeah, man, you're up early. Okay, so I'm just gonna do these notches now. Are you jumping on early today as well, brother? Or are you doing some things with net? Is it? No, it's podcast day today, eh? But I know I don't talk about much, but if you want me to replace Nick, I'm there. And then I'll just come in and say, oh, I bought a flask today. It was quite nice. My life in Nazul. I'm dead. You're basically just playing a part-time alliance. I can't. Oh, come on, dinner. Dinner, please. Dinner, please. What are you doing? Dinner, please. Thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to gift those subs, though. Appreciate it, though. But everyone that received a gifted sub from Dinner, please, don't forget to say thank you. A thank you can go a long way, and it's free to say. Nah, bro, just chilling, watching stuff with Net. Oh, hello, Net. Welcome to Only Hands. It is the sister or the superior site to OnlyFans. All you need is a pair of hands with its co-founder Just for Kicks. Or the founder, I should say. Okay, let's pop these out, eh? feel like playing two thicker. Oh, let's play this mean jam first. Ooh, this is my jam. First goodbye, got to love and lose $100 million times. Know this what I like. Now I'm falling. Say my name, but I have never heard before. I know for sure. One that reveals it all. Are you falling? You know you can get whatever you want from me. Whatever you want, baby. Section, I'm afraid of all the things you could do to me. Oh shit. I should have stayed at home. I'll do it better alone. I knew there was the end of it all. JMR subscribe with tier 1 3-month streak, brother. Holy shit. Thank you, bro. Didn't have to. I knew there was the end of it all. I should have stayed at home. Am I falling in love with the one that will break my heart? Undertaker! My mum loves your singing voice. Oh, it's not that great. Shout out to your mum, brother. Thank you. It's quite avocado, to be honest. Should release the album. Oh, jeez. It's hard enough streaming. The fish were swimming down Turtle Creek. My ding-a-ling, hey my ding-a-ling, I want you to play with my ding-a-ling. My ding-a-ling, my ding-a-ling, I want you to play with my ding-a-ling. What do you do with your carvings when they're finished? Sell, give away, all those things. It's a family show. I was talking about silver bells. Then primary classic. Okay, yeah, he looks all good for today. Closing in on it, so we've just got to do this arm, this nose, and this nose. Okay, time to change it up, mate. You want to go bath? Dibs on next carving, mate. Hey bro, how's it going? Oh, it's going all good, brother. gonna do this now. So there's still a bit of wood here in the base. And I am Lumberjack, thank you very much for the sub. Yeah, another Lumberjack. Cheers, brother. Just looking at the wood. Heaps needs to be taken off on this side. Like heaps. Okay, let me just get the other vice. It's been a long time coming, but I know change will come. It's 3 AM. Should I go to sleep? You most definitely should, brother. Is there any sort of spiritual connection or practices in Maori culture and history that involve spirits? Yeah, I mean, you have good spirits, you have the bad ones as well. There's like karakia, like prayer, incantation. I myself don't really dabble with the spirits because I don't know that properly. I mean, if you do it, it's going to fuck you up. If you don't know what you're doing, I would say. Just like our priests, we call them matakite, and they can talk to the dearly beloved that have passed on and communicate with them as well. Broxh, I think you missed the hydrate. Oh, sorry. Will you be adding feathers to the Taiaha? Ah, no, the family requested if they could do it. I was like, oh, all good. Less work for me. Dinner please. Yeah, she's feeling much better today. Much better. Okay. We're going to do a bit of rasping. So this is the side with a lot of wood on it. Yeah. So this is my commission, a commission that is due at the end of the month, but realistically I've only got 2 weeks left on. Oh, damn it. Come on. There we go. Do the hair flip like Tarzan. Or did you redeem one? Because I didn't see it. Why is the end flattened? Because that's the blade of the Taiaha. That's the one that uses to cut the head off. That's what that particular part was used for. To bruise, to batter, but most of all, if you're lucky enough, you decapitate them. And that's GG, you win. That's how it was used in the old days. Today, we don't use our weapons for their original purpose anymore. Just get my rasp. Now I know the meaning. Got me my ruler as well, so we'll be using this. Okay, and just have our inu and we're away. Let's go. Turn turtle light. Cheers, brother, for that. You didn't have to, brother. Get ready to clip it. you scheming. I will catch you in the next stream, brother. Cheers, D. Have a good one, brother. Shot for tuning in. Would be better if I had a bloody Oh, we got a hair flick coming in. Do we? Yeah. I can't see it. Okay, I'll just do it anyway. These guys. Oh my god. I need to wash my hair. These guys go nuts for that hair flick, eh? Let me just move back so I don't walk into the vice. Hold on. These are funny. You go. There's Jason Moore here. As king's time is ruler, rises and falls like the sun. One day, Simba, the sun will set in my time here. Kia ora, Ryan. Thank you for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Oh, I see Jason Momoa. Emotes. Then we got a bit of a, is that an ahegao face? Chur 420 Bond cone. We can guess what you like smoking, brother. Thanks for that, brother. You didn't have to, though. Roman Reigns. Valiv, I don't know what you're saying, brother. Sorry. I didn't even think people would like it. God, this takes too long. I'm getting a grinder. Next head and shoulders spokesperson. Some hobo and a day. Thank you very much, Charles. Just didn't have to. Just can't watch for free. It's all good. That a vixen or a rasp, brother. Okay, this is some. I'll play some different music soon. I'm not really feeling this. In the world before I am a man, hey, was a creature before I could stand, hey. No, not that 5% battery life. I'll remember before I forget. Jason, thank you very much, brother. So just. We need to take off a lot of wood here. On the road to nowhere. Troy Polamalu head and shoulders. He's the man though, Troy. Troy Polamalu. You know how people get into turning clay? Not me. How much money you make with wood carving? I don't really think about the money when it comes to that, brother, but it all depends. If you advertise yourself, you can be the meanest carver. People don't know who you are. You're not going to get anything. That's just how it is. It's all about advertising yourself, I guess. Yeah, I need a bloody grinder. That's getting nowhere. All that effort. I think I'll rule it. But it's not looking too bad. Bit crooked. We can fix that though. Man, it's getting hot. Do you have any other interests? Yeah, Mrs. Broxh. Oh yeah, no, I don't do other things other than carving, brother. Well, what do you work with? Native timber, brother? It's usually the main one carvers use. Especially here, eh? Spring's coming early. Yeah, bro, I think so. It's been feeling quite good. Oh, there we go. Shirt kind of fire. Just a shirt. Need to try and get rid of that. 2 AM vibes too. The one. Yo, thanks for that, brother. You didn't have to. Ziggy. No, it's the same camera. So I'm using a stream pack. But I mean, if you haven't been here since the phone streams, brother, yeah. Different setup now. Thanks to Twitch ANZ. Where's my damn pencil? There. So I've got to try and figure out how I'm going to get rid of that dent here without taking too much off. So I'm doing a Taiaha. It's one of the most renowned weapons of the Maori people, or us really. Similar to English 3/4 staff, the difference being this one's never made to be thrown, because we named them after our ancestors as well, and not a good look when you throw your own ancestor. And plus you'll be left defenseless on the battlefield, and probably end up being someone's lunch, to be honest. If you don't mind me asking, do you get paid for this, or is it just a hobby? So I'm getting paid for this because it's a commission. It's for a 21st birthday. But it's not really a hobby, it's more of a passion. I think it's much bigger than that. It's part of my culture, plays a big part in my culture. How am I I'm gonna get rid of you, Chip. Derps, thanks for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to. What counts as being an egg? Well, if you're gonna be a prick in the chat, just being a dick, bro. A troll. So, it's an NZ term. It's a term we use here in New Zealand. Don't be an egg. Keep up the good work also. Yeah, Daniel, thank you, brother. You could have said that without the bits, though. All good. I fucking love ya. How did you start wood carving? By picking up a chisel and yeah. But my uncle introduced it to me back in primary school. Been doing it ever since.